let us get to your stock picks for today. JP, what are you choosing?
I'm choosing a US stock, notwithstanding everything that's happening. One that you might have heard about before, Alphabet. Obviously, the main business is Google, which is so well known, it's even become a verb. And notwithstanding what is going on in the tariff wars and people thinking, oh my goodness, is the rest of the world maybe going to retaliate, not with tariffs on goods, but maybe some type of tax on services? And Google is the one major international business that's relatively easy to target because so many other countries have got businesses that make payments to Google for their advertising platform. So there's been some concerns with that. And there's also been some concerns regarding large language models and people using the likes of ChatGPT effectively for searching as well, rather than the Google browser or web browser. And Google has responded to that by creating Gemini. So they're also in the LLM market. And Gemini is very good to act as a plug-in into other type of applications. And then they still have Android, which is a great mobile phone operating system, which is also dominant. So I think they've got enough arrows in their quiver to deal with all these ructions we are seeing. And the share price has come down from roughly $200 to around $150. It's not expensive relative to the rest of the Magnificent Seven. High quality company with a wide moat, and therefore Alphabet is my stock pick tonight.
All right. Mark, what are you hanging your hat on?
Yes, I'm picking a similar company, but on the other side of the world. So I'm picking Prosus for their main investment into Tencent. I think that Tencent will continue to do well. Maybe its earnings are a little bit impacted in the shorter term. I mean, we thought that their earnings would grow 20% a year for the next few years. Maybe it's a little bit slower, but the Chinese government will also look to stimulate. And as we know, the Chinese government is trying to swing their economy away from an export-led economy to a more consumer-driven economy, and that's beneficial for Tencent in particular. So I think that, you get Prosus, you get your investment in Tencent, you get Prosus trading at a discount to its assets, so you're not paying too much for your investment. And I think that if China stimulates, I think that Tencent will go up, and so will Prosus.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. Much appreciated. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Mark Du Toit from Oystercatcher Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.